it's a team, it's a partnership, so we got this wrong. Make no mistake about that. But, you know, he worked really hard. 4 times he went into this poll, so we thank you for your effort. And you win some and you lose some. He still has a fabulous track record in terms of polling.
Now you made him, oh God.
No, but the thing is, listen.
You get it all right.
Here, Pradeep, come on. Here's the thing. Here's the thing. You know, in life you can't get all right, okay? In life you can't get all right. There's a lot of rigor and effort that goes in. And we've been, if you look at all our posts and our coverage during the post poll also, we were constantly saying, let's not get carried away. It's a post poll, it's directional. The reality is the polls can only give you an indication. You know, it's only when you get carried away with your own hype, that is when the problems happen. And we were constantly on air, on Twitter, social media, Instagram saying, just dial the hype down. Don't get so carried away. This is only the post-poll results. And therefore, there's a lot to learn.
May I say this, that, you know, he's got a lot of things right in this election also. You know, the state assembly election. Andhra was not an easy state. Odisha not easy to predict in the manner that he has. The 3 big states, and for reasons that he's clearly given, UP, Bengal and Maharashtra. These are the 3 big mistakes. Punjab, Haryana and are the smaller mistakes, if I may call it. But the big mistakes were these 3 states, and they will happen. You know, you will come back, I'm sure, stronger. Your team will come back stronger. But I'm glad that you've come and been so transparent. I know pollsters, Rahul, in the past would get it wrong and disappear. So thank you very much.
It takes a lot of courage.
Of course.
And speak on what you...
And also remember, polls are always directional. Anybody who gets carried away by saying that polls are the gospel, they are not. Polls are directional. They're very, very useful. I believe in that very strongly. Polls give you a good sense of how caste and communities are moving. That is the reality. Beyond that, the polls are not the gospel truth. You have to wait for the EVMs to be opened. Pradeep and his team, and not just to Pradeep, to all the people at Access My India who are watching at this moment, we know that you're tracking our channel, for the effort that you made during this Lok Sabha campaign. On behalf of the India Today Group, we're thankful for the effort that you made. You get some right, you get some wrong. This is a partnership. We can't put the blame down on Access My India. It's not our style. It's not what we think is right. This is teamwork. Pradeep and his team worked really hard on this poll. There are aspects that didn't come together. That is life. You take a blow and you get on.
Can I just make one more point on this? I think we as anchors and people in the TV studios also need to be that when we put the exit poll numbers, the definitiveness and the finality with which we do the analysis, maybe also we need to take a step back. So just as Pradeep has much to introspect, so do we. I still believe exit polls are better than someone sitting, you know, and saying, "Arey, isko itna milega, usko itna." As we've seen, these are difficult states. I went to Andhra Pradesh and I thought Jagan Mohan Reddy was ahead. Look at what the result is. Why did I think so? Because I thought rural women were voting for Jagan. So we all get things wrong, Pradeep. आप और हम दोस्त हैं और दोस्ती में mistakes होते हैं. दुनिया बहुत बड़ी है मेरे दोस्त. There's another election Maharashtra in 4 months. We have to get that spot on.